Sure. Let's start with chapter expansion, ICSE, Maths, class 9. So for this chapter, what we need to do is we need to learn all the formulas of expansion. The whole this chapter depends on the formulas. So let's begin. First we'll see all the formulas and then we'll proceed with the solving the sums. So let's have a look at few basic formulas. That is, first one is a plus b whole bracket squares. You need to learn all these formulas to solve the sums. A plus b whole bracket square will give you a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? You have to learn this. A plus b whole bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can even write this as a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula. Whenever you have two terms, means you have two numbers over here, right? They are separated by a plus sign, right? Whenever you have two terms separated by plus sign, you have to use this formula. The first term a, so the answer for this first term plus square, that is a square, plus 2 multiplied by the first term a multiplied by second term, that is b, then you have plus b square, that is second term square. So let's write it this as a plus b whole bracket square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? This is your first formula. Second formula is a minus b whole bracket square. Here the two terms are separated by minus sign. Whenever you have minus sign and a whole bracket square, this is going to be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Only the difference between these two is whenever you have a plus sign or a minus sign, plus sign this 2ab will come with plus, minus sign 2ab will come with minus sign. Now, third formula is a plus b whole bracket square plus a minus b whole bracket square. Clear? So this plus this. So when you're gonna add this will be a square plus a square, that is 2a square, b square plus b square, that is 2b square, and 2ab minus 2ab will be 0. Whenever you have a square, that means a coefficient of a is 1. 1a square plus 1a square, that is 2a square. And in simple form, we will write this as take 2 as common, a square plus b square. Clear? So, again, what we are going to do is we are going to write this as 2 common and a square plus b square. Now, let's move on to the fourth formula where you're going to have a plus b whole bracket square minus a minus b whole bracket square. Okay? Now, you're going to subtract these two terms. Whenever you want to do the subtraction, sign of second term changes. This will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. So a square minus a square will become 0 because a square minus a square nikal then nothing is left. Right? B square minus b square is again 0, and this has become plus. So 2ab plus 2ab will give you 4ab. So remember one thing, whenever you have a plus b whole bracket square minus a minus b whole bracket square, the answer is 4ab. That means 4 into first term into second term. Right? Whatever terms you have to just multiply with 4. Now, we move on to the fifth formula, that is a plus b and a minus b. Right? This is a multiplication when two terms where on a one bracket you have plus sign and another bracket you have a minus sign, right? The terms are same, the numbers are same, only the signs are different and they are getting multiplied. So for this, the answer is a square minus b square. Clear? Look at the difference in all these things. These are not with squares and you have plus and minus sign in this, and these are with squares. This and this are all different. Now, you have 6 formula, that is a plus 1 upon a whole bracket square. Clear? Now the first term is a plus second term is reciprocal of that number. So for this, again, if you're going to use this identity where your first term is a, or your instead of b you're going to use 1 upon a. So this will be a square plus b square. What we have in place of b, 1 upon a, so this will become 1 upon a square. Now plus what you have, 2 into a into b, 2 into a we have over here as a only, but instead of b we have it over here 1 upon a. So this will be 1 upon a and a get cancelled. So you will have this a square plus 1 square will be 1 upon a square plus 2, because this 2 got cancelled, so 2 into 1 into 1 is 2. Clear? So we are going to write this formula as a plus 1 upon a whole bracket square as a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Similar way, if you look for the next formula, that is a minus 1 upon a whole bracket square, that will give you in the same way you have a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. Since here it was plus, here it was minus, so sign changes. The rest everything is the same. Clear? Now let's move on to the next formulas. Sure. Now let's have look for another formulas. We'll write it over here. Formula number 8. Now the formula number 8 is a plus 1 upon a whole bracket square minus plus a minus 1 upon a whole bracket square. Clear? Now you are adding these two formulas. So again you have a square plus a square, that you will get it as 2a square. Clear? Plus 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a square, you will have again plus 2 upon a square. Plus 2 and minus 2 will become 0. So you can write this formula as taking 2 as common, you will have a square plus 1 upon a square. Clear? So when you are going to add these two formulas, a plus 1 upon a whole bracket square plus a minus 1 upon a whole bracket square, you will have 2 as common in bracket a square plus 1 upon a square. So let's correct this. We'll write it over here, putting a bracket over here, right? Changing this to clear. Now you did the addition. Let's look out for the subtraction. A plus 1 upon a whole bracket square minus a 1 upon a whole bracket square. Here you are going to subtracting these two terms. The signs will change. A square, this will become minus, right? This will become minus, this will become minus, and this sign will 2 sign will become plus. So a square minus a square is 0. 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a square is again 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. Clear? So a plus 1 upon a whole bracket square minus a minus 1 upon a whole bracket square is 4. So you have to learn all these formulas, right? And the third formula is this one, where you have a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. Here we have replaced b by 1 upon a. So this will give you a square minus, you have b square, instead of b we have 1 upon a whole bracket square, right? So 1 upon a whole bracket square will change into 1 square will be 1 only, and this will be a square. Clear? So a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a will give you a square minus 1 upon a square. So again what we're going to do is we'll keep this formula. This will be a square minus 1 upon a square. Clear? Now, the 11th formula is a plus b plus c. This is whole bracket square. When you have 3 terms, here we have seen only 2 terms, right? Now you have 3 terms with square. So for this you are going to write a square plus b square plus c square plus, take 2 as common and you will have ab plus bc plus ac or c. Clear? Remember this, whenever you have 2 terms, first you have to write the squares with plus sign, then taking 2 as common, you have to add AB, then you have to write plus BC plus AC. Clear? Now, put this x plus A and x plus B. Now look difference at this. You have one term common in both, that is x, and the second terms is different. For this you will write, this is x square, first term is square, plus, you are going to add these 2 terms, a plus b x plus ab. Remember this formula, you have 2 different terms over here, where x you have common, a and b are different, so you that will be x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now remember all this. Let's have one more when you have x with minus a and x with plus b, or if you have x with plus a and x with minus b. Or let's take a last formula where you have both the terms as minus. Now, if you look at this, the terms are same, only the signs are different. So, this will give you x square minus a minus b x minus ab. Clear? So, whenever you have a as minus, you will have x square minus a minus bx minus ab. Now, when b is minus, this will be x square minus, this will change, this will be b minus a x. Clear? And again you have minus e. And for the last formula, this would be x square. Again you have minus sign over here. A plus b x plus ab. These are the formulas. You have to learn it by heart. Rest, whatever sums we are going to do, we are going to solve all the sums based on this formulas. So remember this formulas and let's start solving the sums based on this formula.